Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will study why we should study information technology. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why study information technology? Studying information technology or IT can offer numerous benefits due to the pervasive role technology plays in modern society. Here are several reasons why studying IT can be valuable. Number one, career opportunities. IT professionals are in high demand across various industries, from software development and cybersecurity to data analysis and network administration. IT offers a wide range of career paths with competitive salaries. Number two, technological advancements. IT is at the forefront of technological innovation. Studying IT allows you to be part of the continuous evolution of technology, from developing cutting-edge software to working on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and more. Number three, problem solving. IT professionals are tasked with solving complex problems related to technology and systems. This develops strong analytical and problem solving skills that can be valuable in various aspects of life. Number four, global connectivity. The world is more interconnected than ever before, and IT plays a crucial role in maintaining this connectivity. Studying IT enables you to contribute to global communication and collaboration. Number five, digital transformation. Many industries are undergoing digital transformations to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. IT professionals are key players in these transformations. Number six, creativity and innovation. IT is not just about coding and technical skills. It also involves creativity and innovation. Developing new software, designing user interfaces, and creating solutions to real-world problems require creative thinking. Number seven, flexibility. IT skills are transferable across industry, whether you're interested in healthcare, finance, entertainment, or any other sector. IT skills can be applied to various fields. 8. Technopreneurship. If you're inclined towards entrepreneurship, IT skills can empower you to create and launch tech startups, apps, and digital services. Number 9, continuous learning. The IT field is dynamic with new technologies and tools emerging regularly. This ensures that your learning journey is continuous, preventing stagnation and keeping your skills up to date. 10. Remote work opportunities. The IT industry often provides the flexibility to work remotely, which can be especially appealing if you value a flexible work environment. Number 11, security and privacy. With the increasing digitization of information, there is a growing need for experts in cybersecurity and data privacy. IT professionals can help protect sensitive information from cyber threats. Number 12, contribution to society. IT solutions can have a significant positive impact on society, from improving healthcare through telemedicine to aiding disaster response efforts through data analysis. 13. Personal empowerment. Understanding technology empowers you to be more self-sufficient in a digital world. You can troubleshoot common issues, manage your digital presence, make informed decisions about technology use. 14. Global job market. IT skills are in demand not only locally but also internationally. This can open up opportunities for you and collaboration on a global scale. In conclusion, studying information technology can lead to a fulfilling and impactful career, as well as provide skills and knowledge that are increasingly essential in our technology-driven world. Whether you are interested in coding, system administration, data analysis, or any other IT specialization, your experience Your expertise can make difference in various aspects in modern life. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why we should study information technology. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.